Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to insert an element in an array. Okay, so let's start. We'll learn the algorithm. You can write a code in any language. So let's start. First, let us consider a function insertion. Okay, we'll pass the array. This is the array, okay, in which the element is stored. Array key is the element we want to insert. Position, POS. POS is the position in which we want to insert the element. Okay, and what do we need? Number of element. Okay, n is the number of element present in that array. Okay, so first for writing an algorithm, you have to write the input first. What you have given the input to the user. Okay, ARR is the array. You can explain this briefly. Key is the element to be inserted. Okay, POS is position where to be inserted. Okay, n is the number of element. I am writing in short, number of element. N is number of element. Okay, now output. What will be the output of this algorithm? Key will be inserted in POS, right? What do we want from this algorithm? Key to be inserted in the POS in the position given in the passed down in the function call. Okay, now let's start. Let's write the steps of this algorithm. I hope you can write the code. So step 1, first let us declare a variable. Declare a int variable. Declare integer variable li. What is li? I am writing it in short, last index. Okay, li is the last index. So number 2, li equals to n minus 1. We are pointing the, suppose let us consider this array. Suppose this is the array. Suppose this is the array. N is 5. N is 5. N is 5 and li is pointing here. Okay, li is pointing here. Alright, at 4th index. Now what to do? Now a loop will run. Oh no, another thing. Declare integer variable li comma loc. Okay, loc is the location, position. If you want to insert at 0th in 2nd index, then the position is 3. Third position, first position, second position, third position. Position 3 is location 2. So LOC equals to, we have to do POS minus 1. POS, if suppose we want to insert, let us see, not, let us insert at first position. Okay, at this index. Here we want to insert here at first index. Okay, POS is, we want to insert at, POS is 2, so we have to insert LOC equals to, we have to do POS minus 1. That means first index we have to insert. Okay, understood? Now 4th, we have to write a loop. Writing a loop while last index is greater than equals to, okay, last index is greater than equals to LOC. This till this in this li is greater than equals to, this is the LOC. Okay, this is the LOC. Till li is greater than equals to LOC, this will run, this loop will run, this will begin. Okay, now what to do here? ARR is the array. ARR of ARR of li is equal to, I'm sorry, ARR of Li plus 1 is equal to ARR of L of I. That means we are shifting the element to empty this vacant this place. We are shifting the element to this is the fifth index. Suppose we are shifting the element to the right, to its right. Okay, ARR of Li plus 1. Li plus 1 is this pointing to this. Okay, fifth index. For 9 will be shifted here first. Okay, then Li will be Li equals to Li minus minus. Okay, understood? Then Li will be decremented. Okay, then Li will be decremented. Here first Li is pointing to the fourth index, then Li will point to here, then it will move to here till Li comes here. When Li comes here, the loop will get terminated. Okay, till it when the Li comes to the position of LOC, the loop will get terminated. Okay, then we have to do ARR of LOC is equal to key, inserting that element, inserting the key to the vacant place. Okay, then end. This is return, or you can write end of procedure. Okay, same thing. So after the execution of this algorithm, how it will look like, let's just see. 5 is here, 6. Let me show you the dry run of this, then you will understand it better. 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is the array. First Li will point here, Li, and LOC will point here. I have told you why. LOC will point here. Now this loop will run. Li greater than LOC, yes, Li greater than LOC. Li is 4, LOC is 1, greater than LOC. Then it will enter Li of ARR of Li plus 1. Here it is written. This will come here, it will be 9. Then Li will decrement. Here is Li. Okay, here is Li. Then consider this place as vacant. Okay, then Li will decrement. Then same thing will be done again. This will come here. Okay, here 2. This place will become vacant. Li will again be decremented. Here now Li is pointing. Okay, I hope you can understand this little bit small space. Okay, now this will come here, right? We are shifting all the elements to its right of then again it will be decremented. Now Li is pointing at the same position as LOC. Okay, LOC is pointing to the first position, Li is also pointing to the first position. So it will copy right shift 6. Now this place is vacant. Now this place is vacant. Now see, Li will be here. Li will be pointing to here. Okay, but now this condition fails. Li is less than. Li becomes less than LOC. Li is 0. LOC is 1. This condition fails, comes out of the loop, and now ARR of LOC equals to k. This will be done. ARR of LOC is this place, first index. If suppose I am considering the key to be 11. Okay, key to be 11 is to be inserted. Then 11 will be inserted here. I hope you understood. Okay, so this is it, algorithm for insertion an element in an array. I hope you understood. If you have liked my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the further notification. Thank you.